We're gonna blur or pixelate text, faces, or any part of an image in just a few seconds. Let's jump right in. So first, pick any image you want, maybe a screenshot or a photo, right? Click on it and open with Paint. Simple as that. Now click the select tool from the top toolbar and drag your mouse around the area you want to hide. Maybe it's some text, a number, or a face you don't want to show. Here comes the trick. Grab one corner of that selected box and shrink it really small, make it super tiny. You can zoom in from the bottom right corner to see better while doing it. Once it's small, select it again and stretch it back up to the original size. The area is now pixelated or blurred. The smaller you make it before resizing, the blurrier it gets, so you can control how strong you want the blur, and that's it. You've just blurred an image using only MS Paint. Crazy simple, right? You don't need any extra software. Just resize and you're done. So next time you want to hide some text, face, or private info, do this little paint hack. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one.